Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, where we review the latest gadgets and gizmos on the top 5 oil filters for 2024. Whether you're a seasoned gearhead or a weekend warrior, these filters are essential for maintaining optimal engine performance. But wait, there's more. Stick around until the end. I've got a surprising fact about oil filters that'll leave you intrigued. Let's rev up and get started. I always make video top 5 product. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products, I mentioned be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5, the FRAM ExtraGuard PH4967 oil filter. Buckle up because we're about to spill the beans on this little black marvel. Body, proven protection. 50 words. The FRAM ExtraGuard PH4967 is like a loyal bodyguard for your engine. With a 10,000-mile change interval, it's got your back through thick and thin. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling off-road adventures, this filter ensures your engine stays clean and happy. Engineered excellence. 50 words. What's the secret sauce? Well, FRAM engineers have whipped up a blend of fibers and resin that's tougher than your grandma's homemade apple pie crust. This proprietary filter media traps a whopping 95% of dirt particles. Say goodbye to engine wear caused by pesky contaminants. Conventional or synthetic? The PH4967 plays well with both conventional and synthetic motor oils. So whether you're a traditionalist or a modern-day oil aficionado, this filter has your oils back. It's like the Swiss Army knife of oil filters, versatile and ready for action. Everyday hero, 50 words. Designed for everyday drivers, the PH4967 is the unsung hero of your maintenance routine. If you're the type who changes oil more often than you change your socks, kudos to you. This filter is your trusty sidekick. It's like Batman's utility belt, but for engines. Dirt trap efficiency, 50 words. Let's talk numbers. The PH4967 boasts a jaw-dropping 95% dirt trapping efficiency. Translation: it catches dirt particles like a pro goalie catching soccer balls. Your engine will thank you with smoother performance and longer life. High fives all around. Conclusion? So there you have it, folks, the FRAM ExtraGuard PH4967 oil filter. It's reliable, efficient, and ready to tackle those 10,000 miles with gusto. Number 4, the Royal Purple 341777 Extended Life Oil Filter. Buckle up, because this little guy packs a punch. Body built to last. 50 words. The Royal Purple 341777 is like the Chuck Norris of oil filters. It's tough, durable, and ready to take on the road. Made in the good old USA, this filter boasts a whopping 15,000-mile protection when paired with full synthetic oil. That's more cross-country trips than you can count. Filtration efficiency unleashed, 50 words. Let's talk filtration. The 341777 uses all-synthetic microglass media, which sounds fancy, but what does it mean? Well, it achieves a jaw-dropping 99% filtration efficiency at 25 microns or larger. Translation: it catches those tiny particles like a ninja catching flies mid-air. Easy installation, 50 words. Ain't nobody got time for complicated installations. Fear not. The Royal Purple 341777 slides into place faster than a cheetah chasing its prey. No wrestling matches with wrenches, just a smooth fit. Your car will thank you. Peace of mind, 50 words. Worried about engine health? The 341777 has your back. With its extended lifespan, you'll be sipping coffee while others change filters. Plus, knowing it's made in the USA adds a patriotic touch. Verdict, 50 words. Drum roll, please. The Royal Purple 341777 Extended Life Oil Filter is a winner. It's like having a loyal sidekick, silent, efficient, and always there when you need it. So go ahead, treat your engine to some purple magic. Conclusion: thanks for tuning in, gearheads. If you've tried the Royal Purple 341777, drop a comment below. And remember, keep those engines purring and those filters purple. Until next time, stay greasy. Number 3, the Motorcraft FL500S Original Version Oil Filter. If you're wondering how this little guy can make a big difference in your engine's health, Stick around. I promise it won't be as dry as an oil change. Body engine armor, shielding against abrasives. The FL500S is like a knight in shining armor for your engine. It's designed to screen out those pesky abrasives, think carbon, sand, dust, and metal bits, before they sneak into your precious oil. No more unwanted hitchhikers. Pressure relief valves, keeping contaminants at bay. Ever worried about contaminated oil doing the tango back into your engine? Fear not. The FL500S comes with pressure relief valves that minimize this risk. They're like bouncers at an exclusive club, ensuring only clean oil gets VIP access. Cold weather warrior, supply maintenance. When the mercury drops, engines can get a bit grumpy, but not with the FL500S. Those trusty pressure relief valves, yes, them again, help maintain a steady oil supply even in frosty conditions. Your engine will thank you during those chilly morning starts. Clog Buster, the filter steel case. The FL500S isn't just a pretty face. Its steel case is precision ironed to fit snugly, making removal a breeze. Plus, it's coated to resist rust, because nobody wants a rusty filter ruining their day. Dirt Detective. Efficient filter media. This filter isn't playing games when it comes to dirt. Its filter media is like a ninja, silently capturing more engine-harming particles than your average filter. Cleaner oil means a happier engine. Namaste, little filter. Conclusion. So there you have it, folks. The Motorcraft FL500S original version oil filter is like the unsung hero of your engine bay. It fights off dirt, keeps contaminants in check, and dances gracefully with pressure relief valves. Number 2, the oil filters with the K&N Premium Oil Filter, specifically the HP 2006 model. If you're a car owner who cares about engine health, you'll want to stick around for this review. Let's get started. Body. High flow rates, 50 words. The K&N HP 2006 oil filter is all about keeping that oil flowing smoothly. With its exceptional flow rates, it ensures a consistent supply of oil to your engine. Say goodbye to sluggish performance and hello to optimal lubrication. Versatile compatibility, 50 words. Whether you're running synthetic, conventional, or blended motor oils, the HP 2006 has your back. Designed to play nice with all types of oil, it's like the Swiss Army knife of filters. No need to stress about compatibility, just install and go. Protect your engine, 50 words. Engine contaminants be gone. The HP 2006 features pleated synthetic blend filtration media that traps harmful particles like a pro. Dust, debris, and tiny goblins, okay, maybe not goblins, they're no match for this filter. Your engine will thank you. Extensively tested, 50 words. K&N doesn't mess around when it comes to quality. The HP 2006 has undergone rigorous laboratory testing to ensure it can handle the pressure. Burst strength? Check. Capacity? Double check. It's like the filter did a CrossFit workout and aced it. Easy removal and heavy-duty construction, 50 words. Changing your oil filter shouldn't be a wrestling match. The HP 2006's wrench-off design makes removal a breeze. No Hulk strength required. Plus, its heavy-duty canister means it can take a beating and keep on filtering. Durability? Absolutely. Conclusion. In summary, the K&N Premium Oil Filter HP 2006 is a reliable sidekick for your engine. It's like having a personal bodyguard, protecting your motor from contaminants, ensuring smooth oil flow, and standing strong against wear and tear. So, next time you're due for an oil change, consider upgrading to the HP 2006. Your engine will purr with gratitude. Number 1, the BOSCH 3300 Premium Oil Filter. If you're serious about keeping your engine in tip-top shape, this little marvel deserves your attention. Buckle up as we explore its Filtech filtration technology, OE-Fit, and more. Body, 5 sections, 50 words each. Filtech filtration technology, Section 1. The BOSCH 3300 boasts Filtech media technology that's like a bouncer at an exclusive club. It screens out dirt and particles, capturing up to 14 grams of grime. No more unwanted guests circulating through your engine. Say goodbye to premature wear and tear. Rock-solid OE-Fit, Section 2. Ever had a filter that just didn't fit right? Not with the 3300. Its steel base plates and housings prevent warpage, leaks, and poor fit. Your engine will thank you for this snug embrace. Anti-drain back valve, Section 3. Picture this. You start your car after a chilly night, and the engine gulps down cold, dirty oil. Not cool. But fear not. The silicone anti-drain back valve ensures your engine gets a clean oil supply even on frosty mornings. Leak-proof seal, Section 4. Changing your oil shouldn't feel like wrestling a greased pig. The 3300's high lubricity gasket design provides a tight, leak-proof seal. When it's time for an oil change, it pops off without a fuss. Easy peasy. Internal strength, Section 5. The metal spiral-wound center tube inside the 3300 isn't just for show. It's like the backbone of your filter. It reinforces internal strength, ensuring durability and longevity. Your engine will purr with gratitude. Conclusion, 50 words. In a world of oil filters, the BOSCH 3300 Premium stands tall. Whether you're cruising in a Chevrolet, Honda, or Infiniti, this filter has your back. So next time you're due for an oil change, make the smart choice. Your engine will thank you with smoother performance and fewer headaches. Drive on, my friends. I hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you sub, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Welcome to the Review Factor family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.